Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. So today we have something exciting. Insta360 has sent us a new package. Let's open it and see what's inside. The box says "Think Bold." Please tear here. Okay. What do we have? Packaging. We have a replacement lens kit for the Insta360 X5. In the box is one replacement lens, one lens case, a lens grip tool, lens blower, removal tool, brush. Cleaning wipes, lens cloths, and disposable gloves. Here we have a bullet time selfie stick 2.0. Switch between the bullet time handle and selfie stick with ease. Okay. Here we have a 512 gig memory card. And we have this, the Insta360 X5 8K 360 Action Cam. 5.7K 60 frames per second active HDR video, new wind guard for clear audio, waterproof to 49 feet or 15 meters, AI powered editing, and auto backup to the cloud. 8K 360 degree video, dual 1/1.28 inch sensors, triple AI chip for superior low light, shoot first frame later, invisible selfie stick effect, and flow state stabilization 360 degrees horizon lock. In the box we have the Insta360 X5, a USB-C cable, a protective pouch, a lens cloth, quick start guide, and warranty card. There you have it.